All right, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of No Sleep FX. I'm your host, Tony, and today we're going to talk about two trades that I took on GBPJPY. And we're just going to jump into it. Okay, so I used the EMAs, 8 EMA and the 21 EMA, and the anchored VWAP. I use my daily levels and my weekly levels. I trade with the engulfing candles and kind of like a break and retest as well. Right now we're looking at the higher time frame as to why I was looking for shorts, right? So up here we got like a double top going on. Then if we go lower to the time frames, right, on the hourly, we got the 8 EMA under the 21, right? Oh, and this is from yesterday's. This is from yesterday's. And I didn't trade yesterday. So this is yesterday. It melted, right? Forming the double top. Okay. Going down to the 15-minute. Here's my daily level. We're kind of right now inside the daily level. And this engulfing candle right here, bearish engulfing candle, that was my signal candle, right? My signal candle. So normally I would have entered at the close of the candle, which my entry would have been down here. But I waited for the next candle to open and create a top wick. I entered midway through that next 15-minute candle. And you can see it kind of was like a fake out, right? Because it came right back up. And we were in some drawdown, which is okay, It closed right there on top of the 21 EMA. But I just went with it, right? I held my trade. That was a strong bearish engulfing candle. So again, that's my entry candle, right? It had crossed all the EMAs, it crossed the VWAP. So we're in it, right? And this was right before London Open. And here we go. We're in the trade. Everything's flowing nicely. Okay, at this point, we're at break even. And so going in, boom, right there. On that candle, TP was hit for 35, 36 pips. And that was the trade for London session, right? And that was it. Pretty straightforward. Engulfing candle. EMA is crossed, and we're still going, right? So at this point, I'm done with my trade for the day. I'm getting ready to go to work, and not paying attention to the charts at this moment. Like I said, I still work a 9 to 5. Eventually, the goal is to become a full-time trader. All right, let's see. Boom, that one. That was the entry candle for my second trade. Okay, so we'll talk about this one. And this one, I only snagged 15, 16 pips from it. That's why I got left this blue box in there. So you can see where I got out of the trade. And I'll tell you why I got out early. All right, so again, this is my daily level, right? And this is the daily level low, okay? And if we go to that hourly right now, the reason why I had entered this trade, this is about what was it, 12 p.m. when I had entered the trade, and I'm at work, right? So I was taking my break, and I just happened to glance at the charts. So again, I find my entries on the 15-minute, but I looked at the hourly, right, the higher time frame, and I saw these wicks. It's two. Let me get the highlighter. Here. Okay, I'll just circle it. Anyways, these two big wicks right there, right? You see it. It's in there. Those two wicks right there. All right. It rejected the EMAs. It closed below the VWAP, and it also rejected the daily low, right? So we're trading below the daily level right now. Okay. And I noticed on the 15-minute this nice big bearish engulfing candle. I know the EMAs say to buy because it's above, right? But we're still kind of trading below the anchor VWAP. Price is below the anchor VWAP. And remember, price is king, right? So price is king. We're going with price. Anyways, it was a nice break and retest, right? Break and retest of the levels with the bearish engulfing candle. Now we're in this trade. And let's let it rock. We're in the trade. We're in the trade. Okay. So me, I closed out right here about 15, 16 pips. I'm at work. My break had just ended. I got an hour break. I got out of the trade, all right, before I went back to work. And yeah, I'm happy with today's trades. But I'll show you, had I held it another 15, 20 minutes, 15, 30 minutes, something like that, right? This trade would have hit full TP for a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. And I'm done for today, right? That was just an extra trade I happened to take while at work. But that's it. This is just a simple recap of my trades today. Nothing major. Just showing you what I did, how I did it, why I did it, and that's that. So leave a like, subscribe, comment, and thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for the support.